Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to teach Claude AI. So Claude AI, you can go to that Google and type Claude AI. This is if you click on it, it comes to here. Okay, it asks to log in your Gmail ID. If you already log in, you can come to this dashboard. Here you will be able to ask any questions. So questions you can see the write, learn, code it is for if you are become a programmer, you can click this option and you can ask the coding stuff, any doubts regarding the coding. If you are running to the problem into your programming, coding as well as a website and apps development, you having a doubts, you can ask it here. Select that option and you can ask it here. There are many options there. Okay, learn, you can learn here, develop here. There are many options. Okay, so yeah, the first time you can see here this Cloud AI, how to use the Cloud AI. First here the same thing here you can see there is a different option. Okay, so that is this Sonnet, this is the free. So we can ask the free. This one should be the more powerful or pass. Okay, but at the moment it's not free, it is upgrade one. Okay, if it is a feature is developed than this. Okay, if we are get the another features, upgrade features, this one we can use this feature as free. Okay, at the moment we can use it. This is not visible. If you are a premium user, you will be able to access it. So right now we can't access it anymore. Okay. Now what I'm going to see, I'm going to ask something. Act as a Java developer. First you have to train the AI for Java, your programming AI programs. Okay, what is the this text box? The AI agent is work as a Java developer. So maximum you can ask from first from. Okay, so I would I need to write Java hello world. Right, like this. Click it. Okay, here how to save the file, how to compile the file, how to run the file. All the things are that implemented correctly. This is how we can do it. Okay, this is how we can do it. Okay, so how to add two numbers. Okay, here everything it here you can see here how to add two numbers. It shows the output as different ways. This is the basics output. Okay, that they are input two numbers, add two numbers and assign to the sum. Here display the output as well. Okay, this is a very basic one. It is a advanced. Okay, this is advanced. Okay, this is a little bit it's not advanced, little bit advanced. Okay, so that they implement the scanner class. How the scanner class works here, that input the first number, second number. Okay, get two inputs. Okay, store assigned to that this two variables. After that it has been calculated and assigned to this variable and print the display the output has been printed. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so that here that reuse method. Okay, you can use it this kind of as well using the argument. You are passing the arguments, so you have the static method. Okay, using the static method mean we can simple, this is static method and we can, okay, this is the argument, you can add two numbers 10 and 20. What will be the output? It's 10 goes to A, 20 goes to B. Both are added and written. If it is a return, you can put this return. It has been, the output has been displayed. Okay, so this kind of a simple example we can get it from here. So this is a free one. If you free plan, if you have purchased the upgrade plan, this AI you can having a many features. So the upgrade plan, it is you can see the monthly 17 USD, but once a time you can pay, purchase and try out how the output will be. Because I promise that if you are a coder, if you are interesting to code, this AI is best rather than comparing to other AIs. Okay, that is the Cloud AI is the best AI for program. Those who are looking for a programming journey, searching for a programming job. Okay, so that if you are starting the new uh, software company, this AI is very best. You can try out. Okay, thank you for watching.